Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell because that is the only way I'll know you like my videos and it really helps my channel. So I really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to start with this Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Primer. I kind of forgot about this, since we're in this quarantine, I'm kind of cleaning up a lot. So I'm going to take about 2 pumps of this, and it's pretty liquidy. And while I'm cleaning, I'm coming up with all these products that I forgot about or I haven't tried. So this is one of those products that I kind of forgot about. Now this primer doesn't really do pore filling, but it hydrates your skin super nicely. And I'm going to be using a powder foundation. Now I'm going to move into concealer, and for that I'm going to take this Benefit's Bowing Concealer, and I like to use this in the shade number 8. And I'm going to take this just on the inner corner. I'm also going to take it just on the corner of my eyes, just to lift it up a little bit. And then just a tiny bit in the center. And then using this Japanese brush, I'm going to start blending it out. I'm going to drag this product as much as I can and as far as I can. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Powder Foundation, and I'm using this in the shade Y375. And this is really my go-to foundation when I'm doing this kind of a makeup. And then using the sponge that came in with this foundation, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to set my eyes. And then using that same sponge, I'm going to start applying this all over my face. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that powder and I'm going to go right under my eyebrows. And I'm not taking this all over my eyes because I'm going to be using a stick shadow and I don't want to make a mess. For my bronzer, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs bronzer, and this is in the shade Gimme Sun. And I'm going a little bit heavy on the bronzer because I didn't contour, so this will kind of do both things at the same time. If I go a little bit heavy, I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that foundation and I'm just going to clean it up. You see how it just cleans up this area here, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. I just want it to be still put together. Like, I've put in a lot of time, but I haven't really. Before I go in with my blush, I'm actually going to take this Gold Deposit Skin Finish from MAC, and it's really, really pretty. The same color as that bronzer, but it has gold specks into it, and it's really pretty on the skin. You want a fluffy brush for this. You don't want a very dense brush. And I'm going to pick some up, and I'm going to go right above my bronzer. And you see, it just gives you really, really beautiful sheen, and it's really pretty in person too. I'm taking it on my chin, on the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to take a little bit on my forehead. Next, for my blush, I'm going to use this Malay Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade Pretty Pink, and it's really a pretty pink color. And I'm using that same brush. And once I've applied my highlighter, I always like to press the blush on top rather than going back and forth and sweeping it. I actually really like how everything is looking so far. So let's go ahead and put something on our lips and then we'll go in with the eyes. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty's lipstick, and this is in the shade Interview. And I really like this. This is a very pretty nude color. I don't know how far my camera recorded, but all I did was this Laura Mercier stick, and this is in the shade Moonlight. And I took this in the center and I kind of blended it out using my finger. And then I was just filling in my eyebrows using this Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 4. Now I'm going to show you a trick I use when I'm in a rush, and you can do this with the liquid foundation too. All I'm going to do is clean it up in the center, and then I'm going to bring it in from the sides. And that kind of just cleans up a little bit of your eyebrows, and I don't spend too much time here. Now I'm going to take this mascara from L'Oreal, and this is the Unlimited Mascara. I actually really like this mascara because it makes your lashes look super long, and I like how it bends. Just apply 2 coats of this mascara. I actually don't want to apply any lower lash mascara, so I'm going to leave it as it is. But I'm going to take this Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray this all over my face. And that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I was a little laid back. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time. Ciao.